Hey there friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how to share your screen within Google Meet video conferences. It's really easy. Let's do it right now. Okay, so I'm on Google Meet. Basically, you just go to meet.google.com in your favorite web browser. Make sure you're logged in with your Google account. And then we can start our premium video meetings for free. This is again why I love this a little bit more than Zoom. What we're going to do is we're going to start a new meeting here. And I'm just going to do a start an instant meeting. This is going to take just a second to load for us. All right, and then the video will start here and you'll be able to see me. Depending on your internet service again, hey friends, how are you? This could take just a second. Okay, now that we're in our meeting, people are going to be joining, things like that, and we want to share our screen at this point either for tutorial purposes or to show people a visual. So what we can do is we can come down to this Present Now option. Once I click on that, what's really cool is we have three different options. We can do the entire screen. Just remember that your computer is going to now show everything that you have on there, which you may or may not want to do. You can do a specific window, which is an application within your computer that may be open, or a tab, which is kind of cool. Maybe you're on a web browser and have multiple tabs open. You can just do a specific tab. So I'm going to choose the window option, and what this does is it brings up the different windows that are currently open on my computer. I have a Finder window open, I got my calculator open, and then I obviously have the Meet web browser open. So I'm going to go ahead and click the calculator option, again just for our tutorial here, and let's click Share. Now at this point, people are going to be seeing just that specific application on your computer. Obviously, this is not what you're seeing. This is what folks are seeing right here is just your calculator. So you can do whatever you need to do within your application. And then once you're done, just come over here and click Stop Presenting. It's as simple as that. Actually really, really cool. Once you're done with your meeting, you can click that Hang Up button and return to the home screen. Friends, I hope that helps. If it has, would you guys hit that thumbs up button? Lets us know we're making helpful videos, and stay tuned because we are actually going to be making a bunch more Google Meet videos. Those are coming out really, really soon. Thanks so much for watching.